I got vocals. All right. How do I look?
Look good.
It looks warmer than it feels. All right, hey guys. Wanted to showcase our latest build here from Reparadise. As you can see from the shape of things, that this is an Airstream. Awesome psychedelic wrap, kind of covering up that traditional aluminum look. This is a merchandising trailer for Garcia Hand Picked. This will be on tour all over the United States, showcasing their goods. So we were encased with a task of, making their design and dream a reality. It's hard to tell from here, but this entire side of the trailer actually opens up floor to ceiling at 14 feet long. Done a number of these service windows or gull-wing doors, whatever people want to call them. This is by far one of our most beautiful factory finished, cool, sleek looking doors to date. So we're really proud of this thing. Even before the wrap was installed, you couldn't even tell that there was a door on here. One of the other things that we wanted to make sure to do for the team that are going to be taking this all over the country is have a pretty simple and easy to set up trailer. So they're going to be on everything from the blacktop, which we're on today, to dirt. They're going to be in fields at concerts, on gravel, all over the place. So we installed a self-leveling system. Normally these guys, you won't find them on Airstreams. You'll find them on larger tow-behind trailers. So this is kind of nice because they are just going to be able to pull up to a venue, hit one button, and this thing will lift off the truck, and then it will self-level the entire unit. They don't have to do anything else. Adding to this awesome trailer is as much solar as we could fit on the roof. The nice thing is we are missing a few things that we don't need with a standard trailer. We don't have stuff like refrigerator vents, bathroom vents, different fans throughout. We don't have an air conditioner on this, so we were able to utilize a lot more of the roof real estate for the solar panels. So we use Zamp Obsidian panels on this, and we've got about 1,400 watts of solar on the roof. And this comes into an overall electrical mainframe area with 600 watts of lithium battery, which we'll showcase here in a minute once we go inside. But this is able to basically power everything that we have inside this beast on a 30 watt or 30 amp inverter system with basically no issues. We do have a little platform set up on the front in case they're looking to throw a generator on there to supplement some power. We do have outlets all around the exterior that are all on the inverter in case you want to set up for some musicians to come and put some amps up and have a little outdoor show. We have an awning on the exterior that will come out. You'll have a little enclosed area where people can lounge and hang out on this side, along with the other side that opens up. It almost looks like an airplane style. But yeah, let's jump inside and check this thing out from the inside. So a couple of the things that you notice right when you walk in is you got two sets of stairs right here, and these are mounted on hinge systems, so that when you get to a location, you pop the door open, these just fall right out, and people are ready to come on in. And then the same thing, when you leave, all you do is you roll them in place, put a little pin in, and you're ready to roll out of here. So the idea was to try to make this as quick and easy as a breakdown to get out of camp or get out of your venue as possible without trying to figure out, well, where do I set the stairs and where do you move all these things so it doesn't bounce and break as you go down the road. So this is our gull-wing door. You see it takes up the majority of the street side. Custom made just about everything that you see here in the shop, from the gas assist shock arms on both sides. We formed all the ribs in-house, did all the TIG welding. But yeah, let's see this guy in action. So we have a dual purpose hook right here, which also comes with the zipped awnings to pull the awning down. And we also use it to help assist opening our door here. So it's that easy. And you see how much light it lets in. And the stairs in action. Here comes our first customer, Stella. Come on, Stella. Come on in. Come on. All right. You want some Jerry Garcia merchandise? How about this book? All right, she's not interested. So some of the little details that we had to think about to make this work is even this bench, you can see it takes up the entire area of the whole bench. And then when this shuts, we've actually built a set of dowels on the inside that slide, and this slides back so that it can make a nice tight seal with our gasket against there. We have locking arms on the side, so when it's traveling down the road, you'll just pop this in place, drop a safety pin through, that way it can't open up, and you're ready for the next venue. All right, well, starting at the back of the trailer, we built a display case. You have 3 areas to display from, all sorts of doors and drawers to keep your merchandise out of the way, store for travel, whatnot, and shelf on top. The shelf has LED downlighting, which you might be able to see through my hand. All the lighting in here is on dimmable, controllable individual switches. The main showcase right here is also sitting on top of a ton of storage to keep all the merchandise put away for the consumers. A few display areas for whatever each venue is going to be showcasing. And in the center of it all is kind of our own take on the wall of sound. A company out of Oregon that specializes in these speaker setups called Boomcase, and they helped us knock this out. Stella, you gonna be famous? We use paper stone countertops, which is basically a recycled paper product, a nice dense countertop. Control center for all their lights, everything that is coming into from the solar is here, and their leveling system is over here. So it's kind of nice. Everything is just touch screen for them. If they want to dim any of their lightings, they just hit their screen and they can pull their brightness up and down, dim and brighten all your lights. We have separated into 7 different zones, so you can really set up a nice kind of ambient look and feel depending on what you're going for in here. The ones that are over our main showcase are actually adjustable. Point them different places. We did include a 12-volt isotherm fridge, a little freezer setup. This becomes their point of sale. You know, depending on the circumstance, they might have a face shield right here to protect from the COVID. They also have some USB ports and outlets, storage areas, whatnot. You have another lounge at the front of the trailer. And this is also housing all of our electrical. So let's check that out. So on this far side, you have your solar controller. So this is what's all your power from the sun is coming into, regulating and then charging these batteries. This is Lion Energy, which is here in Utah. There's 600 watts of lithium battery power in here. We have our 110, and on this side we have a 30 amp Victron inverter. Recording in progress. Are you really recording? Are you? Cool. All right. One of the things that is kind of unique for our shop was to be working on a trailer, a modern Airstream. This is a 2007 Airstream. The majority of ours are 50s, 60s, 70s. So one of the things, or a number of the things that we didn't have to do for this was remove the shell from the chassis, address the frame, reinforce it in any way. This was in pretty great shape. You know, we didn't have to do a lot of body work to it. We didn't have to repair windows, all sorts of stuff that you have to deal with. The doors, the hatches, the axles were still good, stuff like that. So it allowed us to move quite a bit faster. They're also a bit wider than the vintage units. They're taller, so they work very well in a commercial sense to have more space. Because of that, we were able to move pretty quick. We built out this unit in about 3.5 months, which was pretty fast moving for our shop, considering having to design and build an entire door and rewire the whole unit, build everything from scratch in our shop. So I'm pretty proud of what we've accomplished, super proud of the shop and the guys, everything that we did. More awesome projects in the works, so definitely keep watching for more videos. We are going to be releasing a few really cool time lapses. We've got a whole slew of photos coming your way. The Garcia company is going to be, showcasing some of our build on their site, so check them out, follow this thing around. I'm sure it's going to be going to just awesome locations all over the United States, and yeah, stay tuned for what else we have in store.